CrossCountry Class 220 Voyager 221140 going to Manchester Piccadilly via Birmingham New Street, Macclesfield, Stockport and finally Manchester Piccadilly. This train today will be going via Kenilworth, doing 60 miles per hour to then call at Coventry. As you can see down there, you can see a Class 165 Networker Turbo, which might be terminating at Leamington Spa on the Leamington Spa shuttle. It is known that this year, later 2019, that they will be hybrid versions. This train is now making a move up towards Leamington Spa. Today the reason I'm at Leamington Spa railway station is part of a Chiltern adventure to try and spot the most Chiltern trains in one visit to Leamington Spa. And we know that so far I have spotted 4 168s, a 165 and some Voyagers, but Voyagers do not get operated by Chiltern. It's only the 165s and 168s. And I'll also be having a video for the business zone set. This is 165011 terminating today at Leamington Spa.